Andy Friedman from IndustryWeek at the Best Plants Conference, talking with Brandon Brown from the W3 Group, an expert on Kata. Thanks for joining us. And what is the difference between Kata and Kaizen?
Well, typically a Kaizen event is a short duration, a short period of time where you do rapid improvements. It's analogous to if you were going to eat the elephant, maybe take the whole leg in 4 days, and then you're left with action items at the end of the event. So it's very episode, or we say episodic type of improvement events. Kata is a routine for practicing and becoming a part of your daily continuous improvement culture. It's taking small steps, so maybe just a small bite of the elephant, but let's do it every day to continually improve. It's never ending, whereas Kaizen typically is a tool that's used to make a rapid blitz or rapid improvement in a short period of time.
And you talk a lot about the 5 magic questions that you would ask as part of this Kata process. What are those and how does that work?
Well, the 5 questions that Mike Rother, through his research, has come up with is used in conjunction with the PDCA cycle that Dr. Deming has taught us from many years ago. The 5 questions keep you focused and targeted on how do you want this process to operate in the next week or 2 weeks out, and what obstacles are keeping you from operating in that target condition. We step back and look at the current situation and then develop experiments or PDCA cycles to try and go around those obstacles to get one step closer to that target condition. Every day a step closer, and all of this is in line with the vision and the challenge for the company.
And what's maybe an example of a case study where this Kata process has actually worked well?
We've done several deployments with many companies globally. One that I was particularly involved with, along with Rockline Industries in Springdale, Arkansas, was the Dayton, Tennessee facility, which won the 2012 Industry Week's Best Plant. We did a series of deployments and second coaching at their Dayton, Tennessee facility over about 18 months, and they're engaged in using this as part of their daily management for continuous improvement.
And you find a lot of employee buy-in with this process?
Absolutely. When the employees start learning the Kata process, the routine, the questions, and start really getting a voice to their learners or to their coaches, they see the actions happening in their area, and it rolls pretty good once you get the process owners involved.
All right, Brandon Brown with W3 Group, thank you very much for joining us. This is Andy Friedman from Industry Week at the Best Plants Conference in Milwaukee.